One of the things that you have to know about a writ is the notice requirements are a lot tighter than any other lawsuit. Usually you're dealing with a 3-day notice, a 10-day notice, a however X amount of date notice. With a writ, because of the way they're designed and what you're doing, you can get almost immediate relief as long as you can get that notice to that person. Sometimes you can get them at the courthouse same day, next day, 2 days later. The reason that superior right to possession is so important is because sometimes you'll see situations where I filed a writ, I've served you, but guess what? When I was actually able to get you in court, it wasn't my day to have the child. So the court couldn't give me relief. So it's imperative to know that when you are seeking a writ, you better be doing it when you have a superior right to possession. Because sometimes I have folks who their period of possession begins Friday at 6. I can't do a writ for you at 6 p.m. at 7 p.m. on Friday because we're not going to be able to get to court. And by the time I'm able to do the writ, you're not going to be entitled to possession on that following Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
So
Well, a lot of times this becomes the issue, and that is by the time that the writ can be executed, the situation might have changed. A lot of times, in my experience, the situation kind of resolves itself. And we'll speak to that. What do lawyers typically do to kind of make it happen where a writ is kind of used or not really used and then gets resolved with or without court?
generally what I try to do is have my client reach out to the other parent or give me the contact information for that parent so I can reach out to the person before we have to start litigation.